NTCL stock analysis on price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Which this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially with NetClass Technology, this is a very choppy price action. I thought it was not going to be this much, but it actually is, and it is what it is, you know, we roll. I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and it's all documented. And especially how things are looking like for me with NTCL, is that I'm still looking to take things further up. I mean, technically it is a bullish range, right? Even though this is freaking so, like, the trend is so bad. Like, honestly speaking, like, there's no way this gives me rules and then I take it up, because it's not volatile enough. Now, if it starts to pick up a little volume, then yeah, sure. But I just really doubt it, right? I really doubt it. Still gonna follow my strategy, right? And waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So stay tuned. You get free stock picks. It's free.